If you are an entrepreneur who wants strong credibility, legal recognitions, limited liability, and access to government tenders, investors, and professional growth, then a private limited company is the right choice for you. Hi everyone, I am Sheetal Verma from Diligence Certifications, and today we are diving into one of the most trusted and powerful business structure in India, the private limited company. What is private limited company? A private limited company is a privately held business under the Companies Act 2013, combining the benefits of partnership with the limited liability of a company. Key points: shares are held by directors, family or close friends. Regulated by Ministry of Corporate Affairs through the Registrar of Companies. Upon registration, you get a certificate of incorporation which proves your company legally exists, allow you to open a bank account, sign contracts and access funding. Benefits of registration: limited liability. Personal assets are protected from business debt. Separate legal entity. Your company can own property, sue and be sued. Perpetual succession. Business continues even if shareholders change. Easier funding. Attract investors, loans and grants. Credibility. Boost trust with the customer, supplier and partners. Tax advantage. Eligible for various government incentive. Types and key characteristics. Share company. Liability limited to unpaid shares. Guarantee limited. Liability limited to guarantee contribution. Unlimited company. Members have unlimited liability. Minimum 2 directors and shareholder. Maximum 200 members. Restricted share transfer. Must have private limited in the name. Paid up capital is flexible. Requirements for registration: DSC, Digital Signature Certificate, DIN, Director Identification Number, Approved Company Name, Registered Office Address, MOA and AOA, Identity and Address Proof of Directors and Shareholders, Passport Size Photographs, Affidavit declaring correctness of information. Dream big, start smart. Diligence Certification is here to guide you throughout every step of setting up your private limited company in India. Your journey to success starts today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.